Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Shopify and Engage Bay. So the use case here is, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, automatically create contact in Engage Bay. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can set up your online store and sell your products, whereas Engage Bay is an all-in-one marketing, sales and CRM platform. The issue here is that Shopify and Engage Bay don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Shopify to Engage Bay. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Okay, so here I am at Google and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly and now I will hover over this product section from here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I am going to sign into my account. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I will scroll down. And here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Shopify Integrations. Okay, now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now in Choose App first, I am going to choose Shopify here. Okay. Now, according to our workflow, new customer created in Shopify will be our trigger event over here. New customer created. This one, new customer. So when you click on trigger event, you might have seen that we have various trigger events available. You can select whichever trigger event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger? What am I trying to explain? Let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when new customer is created will be our trigger event over here. So now when you come down here, you can see a term called webhook URL. Now you again might be confused. Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Shopify in our case. So you can read the instructions carefully and you can just follow them. So I am going to copy my webhook URL from here and I'll go to my Shopify account. So this is a dashboard of my Shopify account and now I'll go to my settings over here. And here you can see notifications. So I'm going to click on notifications. Okay, so now I'll just scroll down. And when I go down, here you can see this term called webhooks. So we are going to create a webhook over here. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so the event here is according to our workflow, we are creating a new customer. That is why our event will be customer creation. So you can see customer creation is over here. So I'm going to click on it. So our event is going to be customer creation. Format will be JSON URL. So here you have to paste the URL that you got from Pabbly Connect. That is this one. So I'll just paste it over here. Webhook API version will be 2020-10 latest. Now I'm going to save the webhook. Okay, we have successfully saved our webhook over here. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and now it is time to capture the webhook response. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. That means now whenever a new customer will be created in Shopify, Pabbly Connect will capture the information. So now it is time to go and create a new customer in Shopify. So now I'll go to my Shopify account and here you can see online store. So I'm going to open it in new tab. Okay, so this is our store of Shopify. Now here you can see this icon over here. So I'm going to click on it. And from here, we are going to create account. That means we are going to create a new customer's account. Okay, so first name I am going to put John, last name Markle, mobile number, okay, email johnmarkle@gmail.com. Okay, password, I'll just create a password. Okay, now I'm going to create an account for this new customer. Okay, we have successfully created a new customer by creating a new account in Shopify. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see Pabbly Connect has already captured the response. The customer ID is here. The email is here. If you go down, you can see the created time, updated first name, last name. Okay, you can see the phone number is also here. If you go down here, you can see the currency. Okay, so now we have successfully finished our first step integration. That is integration of Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to save it. Okay. Okay, so now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate EngageBay and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. Okay, so now in choose app here, I am going to choose EngageBay. Okay, so now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, we want to create a contact in EngageBay. That is why create contact will be our action event over here. Now you can see we have various action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to click on create contact because this is our action event over here. Okay, so now I'm going to click on connect with EngageBay. Okay, so now in create new or select existing credentials, if you have any existing credentials, it will be displayed over here. But here I don't have any. That is why I am going to let it be new credentials. And here you can see it is asking us for the REST API key. So the instruction is written over here. You can find the about details by login to your EngageBay account. After login, click on your profile, go to account settings, then API and tracking code REST API key. So I'll go to my EngageBay account. So I've already opened my EngageBay account over here. This is the dashboard. And now I'll go to my account over here. And you can see account settings. Okay, so now I'll go and click on API and tracking code over here. Okay, so now here you can see JavaScript API key and REST API key. Now Pabbly Connect is asking for the REST API key. That is why I'm going to copy this from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it. If you want, you can also reset this API key and get a new one. Okay, so now this REST API key is going to help us to build a connection between EngageBay and Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now when you come down here, we have some fields and we have to fill the information that we have got from our webhook response over here. So we'll just map these details. First name, so first name is here John, last name Markle, email is here, role I'll just write here Shopify customer. Okay, phone number, we have the phone number, I'll just map it. Okay, website, no need, country, tag. If you want, you can enter a tag over here according to your choice. I am not going to put it over here. I am going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so we have got our API response. That means our integration is successful. We have integrated Shopify and EngageBay successfully. Now I'm just going to click on save. Okay. So now let's go to EngageBay and see if a new contact called John Markle is created there or not. So I'll go to EngageBay and here you can see contacts. So you can see John Markle is here with the email johnmarkle@gmail.com. Created date is here, status is here. So we have successfully finished the integration here. Now, every time a new customer is created in Shopify, a contact will be created in EngageBay automatically. So now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to my Shopify store over here and I'm going to create a new account for my new customer. I'll just log out the old one and now I'm going to create a new account again for the new customer. Okay. Stephanie, last name, Matthew, mobile number, email, Matthew Stephanie @gmail.com, password, okay, so we have successfully created a new account for our new customer, Stephanie. Now let's go to EngageBay and see if a new contact is created there or not. So I'll go to EngageBay. I'll just refresh this page once. Continue. Okay, so you can see Stephanie Matthew is here. The email is here. If you click on the name, you can see Shopify customer was the note that we wrote. And okay, you can see the number is also here. If you entered some tags, it would have been displayed over here. The role is here, Shopify customer. So we have successfully finished the integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll explain you what happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Shopify to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to EngageBay. So now every time a new customer is created in Shopify, a contact will be created in EngageBay automatically. So we have successfully finished the integration of Shopify and EngageBay using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.